felt sick. So I was taking a seatbelt off. Gave I'd eaten a load of jacket potatoes just before. Opened the door.
Brian, where are you going?
I need my fucking marriage partners.
Are you on drugs?
Absolutely not.
Don't you say it's the final kiss? Won't you stay another day? Don't you know we've come too far now just to go and try to throw it all away? Thought I heard you say you love me, that your love was gonna be here to stay. I've only just begun to know you. All I can say is won't you stay just one more day? Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this. Don't you say it's the final kiss. Won't you stay another day? I touch your face while you are asleep.